Have you ever stopped to wonder whether your current financial life is actually poor or rich? Are you brave enough to actually open up your accounts, add everything up, subtract, multiply, and divide, and really see if the way you live and your current money habits are helping or hurting you? Is it really moving your life forward the way you want it to, or is it actually dragging you backward? Deep down, you probably know the answer, but you just don't want to admit that the way you spend money is the reason. It's what's keeping you stuck. So in this video, I'm going to invite everyone to really take a look at your own accounts. Let's dig deep and see, hey, are our money habits and the way we spend actually going to make us rich or poor in the future? And right now, if we want to have a good financial life, what should our accounts actually look like? And if you're thinking, hey, I want to know, but I have no idea how to even start looking at this stuff. Here's what we'll do. Reach out your hand. Give me your hand. In this video, we're going to walk through it together, step by step. There's also a spreadsheet file for you to download in the caption on Dang's page. And let me just say, if you're someone who's afraid to look at your own finances, just do it. Because once you do, those numbers, only you know them. And you should know, so you can plan for your future. You don't have to tell anyone, including me. No need to tell your friends or even your family. Keep it to yourself until things get better. When things improve, others will notice on their own. This approach isn't harsh at all. I am incredibly excited to announce that we're about to start a comprehensive and engaging personal finance educational series from Sai Money Monster, which is officially titled the Little Demons Treasure Hunt series, designed to help you uncover hidden financial gems. Isn't that a cute name? And when I say treasure, I don't just mean money. It's about wealth. And wealth doesn't mean you have to be super rich or have a ton of money. It's simply about peace. It's about seeking peace, happiness, prosperity, wealth, and a good life. The smiles of today and tomorrow. Support the Sai Money Monster channel and our latest series by scanning this QR code or by commenting, liking, sharing, subscribing, and most importantly, following along with this video. Go for it. Come along and go treasure hunting with this curious little monster. And before we get started, let me tell you something really important. You see, there are actually quite a few things out there that are absolutely and completely unnecessary for you to own if you want to maintain truly good financial health in the long run. To be wealthy, you don't need these 3 things. Number 1, you don't need to have a degree in finance. Number 2, you don't need to have a dad who's super rich. Number 3, you don't have to love math. You don't have to be that close to numbers either. In order to live a wealthy life, yeah, there are ways, but this clip almost feels like a math lesson. Still, the most important thing, if you really want to become rich, you need to know what your current financial level is. It's like when you want to get into a university. You have to know your level first. Why do I have so many skirts? Because if you don't know your level, you won't know where you stand. And if you don't know where you are, you won't know where you came from, and you won't know where you're headed, so you'll have no idea what your path will look like. You'll just keep wandering around in circles, never reaching wealth or true prosperity. Let me emphasize again, the word rich is a personal feeling. My rich is my own. Your rich is yours. There's no need to compare. So in this video, we're going to take a clear look at our own financial status to really see where we stand financially. And let me tell you, all the numbers I'm about to show you, you'll be the only person in the world who sees them. That is, unless you decide to share them with someone. I won't see them, your friends won't see them, and don't share them with family if you don't want, unless your wife is right next to you. In that case, I can't help you. Sorry about that. And this video is absolutely perfect for anyone who's totally confused, like, wait, how much do I actually make? How much do I spend? How much are all my assets actually worth? How do I even figure that out? And what I'm doing right now, is it actually building my wealth, or is it destroying it? So let's get started. There are 3 things you need to know to figure out your financial status level. To begin with, first consider your net income per year. Secondly, you need to look at your total expenses per year. And then for the third factor, determine whether you have a surplus or a deficit in your annual income. A surplus simply means you're in positive financial territory. A deficit means you're in the negative. Why do I tell you to calculate it yearly instead of monthly? Do you know why? Because when we look at our financial status, if we look at it yearly, we get a much clearer big picture than if we look at it monthly because it covers everything. Like in some months, for example, we have some unusual expenses, surprise expenses, like, oh, this month something unexpected came up. This month, a lot of friends are getting married. This month, wow, there are all sorts of random expenses. Every month is different. So if we total the year, there will be surprise bills and random expenses included. As for income, I'll use the total income for the whole year. If you're a salaried employee, it's a bit easier. You just take your monthly salary and multiply it by 12. But for this income, I want to clarify that it should be after-tax income before you use it. And if you have income from freelance work or anything like that, just add it all together. But if you're like, oh, Sai, I didn't keep track last year. I can't keep up with this video anymore. Wait, don't give up yet. There's a way. I get it. Like, who would actually keep track? Normal people probably don't jot down every little thing, like what they spent, how much money came in, or how many transactions there were. But next year, make sure you keep track, okay? For this year, though, I'll share a shortcut with you. It might not be 100% accurate, not totally precise, but it works. Do you have a bank account? If you have a bank account, just use the account you use for all your spending. Every account. If you have just one account, or 2 accounts, 3 accounts, whatever, gather them all. Then request the statements for those accounts. For some banks, you can request your statement right through mobile banking, so just go ahead and request your statement. Once you get your statement, you'll be able to see, month by month, how much you spent and how much you earned each month. It'll give you a rough idea. And for some transactions, we can't even remember, like, hey, what did I spend that on? But still, this statement doesn't lie. That's the money you earned and spent. Once you're done, you add it all up for the whole year. Oh, and this spreadsheet, I'll share it in the caption for Barandang, so you can download it there. Just fill it in January, February, March, April, all the way to December. And there's a column for income. So just enter your income into all 12 columns. Add it all up and sum it for the whole year to see the total. Then for expenses, separate them by months, 12 months, and sum up the total for the year as well. Once you're done, it's incredibly simple and straightforward for you. Take the entire income column for the month and subtract all of your expenses. If your result is positive, congratulations. At the very least, you're well on your way toward the goal of building wealth. But if you're in the negative, don't cry about it because there are ways to fix it. There's a bit of terminology here. If you subtract your expenses from your income and you still have money left over, that means your finances are in surplus. But if you do the math and it's negative, if there's a minus sign in front, that's called a deficit budget. Now, we're going to take this number, the sum that shows either a surplus or a deficit, whether it's positive or negative for each person. If yours is positive, congratulations. If it's negative, don't feel bad. Just set that number aside for now. Keep it handy. Next, we'll calculate our net worth, which is all the assets we have. What counts as assets? Including savings, investments, real estate, or anything you own that has value. Just list it all. When we say something has value, it means if you sold it right now, you could exchange it for cash, such as a designer handbag. Can you still sell it? If you can, write down the price you could get for it today. For instance, if you're a photographer, your camera and equipment are assets too. A car is also an asset, but you must subtract the amount you still owe on installments. That is, if you haven't finished paying it off yet. A car is kinda in between. If you've finished paying it off, you can count it as your asset. But if you still owe money on it, you have to put it in the debt column. So once we've listed out all our assets and their values, the next list, list everything out, okay? Whether it's your mortgage payments, car payments, phone installments, outstanding credit card balances, or payments on your fridge. Put them all in. Once you've got this line filled out, take the total amount of all your debts, subtract it from your assets. Seriously, are your assets still positive? If they're still positive, congratulations. If not, you'll need to keep watching this series for a while longer. Now, in this section, you'll know exactly what your net worth is. No need to say it out loud. No need to comment and tell me either. Unless you want to brag, like, oh, I'm rich. That's fine. But if it's like, hey, it's not working out or something like that, if you want some encouragement, go ahead and comment, but you don't have to say how much you have. So the net worth I'm asking you to calculate, do you know what it is? The net worth I want you to find, it's your net worth. Net worth equals your current wealth. Right now, at this very minute, this very second. And the first thing I asked you to find, your income. Income minus your expenses for the whole year. That's not considered wealth yet. You have to take what's left over from your income after expenses and add it to your net worth first. Once this becomes our net assets, then it equals wealth. Do you know why? Because we have to use our income to buy our lifestyle. We use our income to buy our net worth. But if you want to successfully attain true financial freedom, it is actually only your total net worth that can truly secure your long-term wealth. Income can't buy it. So do you understand now? Just because someone earns more income, it never means they're richer. It doesn't matter how much you make today. Don't feel bad if you earn less than others. If we manage things better, we save better than others, we have a better chance of becoming wealthy. Earn 100 grand but spend 200,000. There's no way they'll get rich. They'll just have debt. But if you earn 50,000 and can consistently save 10% with discipline, you're much closer to the finish line of wealth than they are. So in this video, what I want everyone to review and go back to do, this is a real how-to, step-by-step hand-holding kind of video, is to download the spreadsheet and then just go ahead and do it. Now, if you haven't made a list of exactly what you're spending on, what you spent on over the past year, just request your bank statement. It might not be 100% accurate because there will be cash transactions that aren't included, but you can use it as a rough estimate for the past year to see whether you spent more or less than what you earned. And then you can go and organize all your own personal asset accounts. Just so that you are fully aware, when you add the remaining balance from last year's spending to the assets you presently have on hand and subtract your debts, what your actual net worth is. This is the crucial starting point for treasure hunting, Little Devil Edition. And if anyone follows what I've suggested in this video, you'll probably start to feel like, hey, I really need to be more mindful with my spending, right? Because every single expense, every financial transaction, they're what determine our future, whether they're moving us forward and making us wealthier or dragging us down into debt. Because every single expense, it only leads to two possible outcomes. If it doesn't create assets, it creates debt. So from now on, whenever we're about to spend money on something, we'll always be mindful and aware. Like, hey, if I do this, will it make my yearly total positive or negative? And if we actually add it to our existing network, will it increase or decrease our net assets? Which basically means, will we become wealthier or less wealthy? This is a key financial principle. It's not hard to understand, right? If you understand this core financial concept, this is actually one of the easiest ways for you to build wealth in your life. But if you watch this clip and feel like, hey, it's kind of confusing or unclear, like, is this really all there is to it? Is that it? I recommend going back to watch episode 1 first. That episode is a full 40 minutes, and it'll give you a broader perspective on how to manage your financial life happily. And if anyone is interested in managing their personal finances in an even more fabulous way, without all the stress, just come hang out and listen with me, Sai, in a relaxed vibe. Honestly, where else are you going to find someone dressing up as a princess and talking about finance like this? No other channel does it. A quick ad for the next episode. For the next episode, it's going to be super important for anyone who has debt, because in the next episode, in the Little Devil's Treasure Hunt series, we'll be covering the topic of debt elimination strategies. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. And please follow the series again. Again, let's do it together. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Little Devil's Treasure Hunt.